Welcome, 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 guys. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Georgette. And if you're new to me for the first time visiting, welcome. Thank you for visiting. My channel is all about inspiring you, motivating you. And guys, I do hope I can play a role in helping to transform your lives like I have done mine. So at the end, not now, please smash the subscribe and guys, turn your notifications on. I bring you content every day. Some really, really interesting topics that you would really love. So guys, let's talk about why we're not manifesting. You know, we tend to look around and we've been doing this thing every day, the same things, and we have set big goals and dreams for ourselves, but we don't see anything happening. Why? Why is that? You know, we know that everything happens in the right time. That's first of all. So that's something that you have to know. You see, when you can really get that everything happens in its perfect time, then we don't get so anxious. But I know what gets us all anxious and tripped up. You know, guess what does that to us? Fear. Oh boy, this word fear. Fear tend to do that to us. You are hoping, you are desiring some big goals and dreams and the lovely home, all the lovely stuff, to retire your parents, to travel first class and private jet. But it just seems like you've been doing this thing for so long and nothing is happening. What fear does, fear tend to creep in when nothing is happening outside on the physical, right? When you really can't see it. And it tends to creep in and convince you that, this is it, girl. I don't know what you're doing. This that you're doing is just not working. So fear tend to creep in and let you start to think, oh my gosh, this is really not working. I've been doing this for so long. So it convinces us that our life is not even worth living. That fear does that. That, oh my gosh, why am I even doing this? I don't even feel like doing this no more. You know, when things are breaking down, you just feel like your life is just useless. Here it is, you're hoping, you're dreaming, you're desiring, you're doing all the things, and nothing is happening. And so fear tend to creep in and tell you that, I don't know why you're doing this, because it's just not working. Look at how long you're doing this. You hear that nagging voice. How long are you going to do this for? I've heard it. I've heard it. I've heard it. And so what we have to do now is now take a step back and look at ourselves and say, okay, where am I mentally? Where am I physically? And where am I spiritually? So mentally, what you're desiring and hoping for, are you on that same frequency? Are you vibrating on that? Because you have to get there. Believe me, this is what I've learned. That the goal, the dream, the desire, you have to be on that same frequency as the lovely home, the $1 million home, the $400,000 Rolls Royce, the Corvette, the G-Wagon. You have to, so let me tell you what I've learned. Let me get comfy. You have to get to that place so the mind can know that, okay, you are on that same frequency. So now it's time to bring into her existence because she is here. You can't be worried all day long. This is not working. This is just not working. You cannot be down here, but the desire is here. That's why we do not manifest. And I've been researching and doing a lot of stuff. And then my mentor has a lot of great content. And I have been learning why the very thing that we desire, it is not locating us. Your frequency, that is your energy, your vibration. You have to get on the same frequency and live there most of the day. Physically, where are you physically? Are you reacting to every little thing that's in your environment, your workplace, your business place, in your family, all the chaos, are you allowing all that chaos in? Then you're not vibrating on high frequency as the goal. So you have to know what's going on in the news. If you don't watch your TV, then is every little thing getting to you that's happening outside of you? You get a flat tire. It's like, oh my God. Oh, this always happens. If you're in traffic, you have to then bring yourself back to centering yourself. And this is what I've learned. You have to live at a place of that high vibration most of the day. Yes, you may say, I'm human and things happen. But I'm going to tell you, something happened. I got an email today that wasn't pleasant. And I went into a place for about a minute and a half. And then I had to center myself. I said, okay, Georgette, why are you thinking that this is the end of this? Why are you thinking that? And then a couple minutes later, I said, you know what? I'll go and center myself with meditation. And I did that. And then I just started repeating, I'm at the right place at the right time. Because wherever we are at, I promise you, it's the right place. Either it is to learn a lesson, to stretch and grow, or to get thick roots. Your foundation have to be strong to hold on this massive goal. A skyscraper, do you know how long they have to build the foundation to hold those hotels that has 40 some floors, 100 and some floors? So when you're going through things, it's also for you to learn and stretch and grow, you know? And then spiritually, you have to really come back in alignment. And that's through your meditation and your affirmation. So guys, when you're going through something, just stop for a minute and say, I need to get into meditation. I need to center myself. That's your spirituality. So it's physically, it's mentally, and it's spiritually. You have to then come back to centering yourself whenever you're going through something so that it doesn't keep you away from manifesting. Yeah, that is why we really don't manifest. Those three things. You have to get back into flow state. Yes, you're human, but try not to be out of flow state too often. Try not to be worrying so often. Try not to be so angry so often and anxious. Yeah, get out of it very quickly. I was in that state today for about a minute and a half. And then I centered myself back and I went into meditation. Because, guys, we know that everything has a divine timing. What is divine timing, guys? Is that everything happens in the perfect time. Whatever you are going through, if you don't see anything happening, but yet you're going after the goal, if you meditate, you're meditating, you're saying your affirmations, you're being positive, you're staying joyful and happy, you're visualizing the goal. If you don't see anything manifesting, it is because you're allowing the physical circumstances to get in. You're not in flow state. I say to you, get back into flow state. Take a step back and ask yourself, where am I mentally? Am I on the same vibration or frequency as my goals? Then physically say, why am I allowing this coworker to get to me? Let me get back into flow state. And then spiritually say, let me get into meditation. Let me quiet the mind. The mind is a bit noisy right now. Let me quiet that noisy mind and get back into flow state. And that's the big reason why we don't manifest, guys. Yeah. So I'm staying as best as I can into flow state. Yeah. And so, guys, that is what I can share with you today. So I'm leaving some videos pop up. Guys, grab your free gift, all because you stayed to the end. Please smash the subscribe, like, and share with someone. Someone needs to see it. And leave below your comment. Are you in flow state most of the day? Are you meditating? Are you allowing chaos to get to you? Leave a comment below and just let me know if throughout the day, do you think that you're in flow state most of the day? That's all. Just say, yes, I am, or no, I need to get into flow state most of the day, because that's what's keeping you, that's what's keeping me from manifesting all that we desires. The videos that are popping up, guys, Keep watching. I have some great content. Put your notifications on. I bring you a video daily. It's your girl Georgette, as always, sending you love and light. Mwah. Bye now.